Welcome back to God by the Trading, where we break down things to the most simplest form to even where a first grader can understand it. So look, today what we talking about is the hottest topic in the stock market today or whatnot. We talking about AI revolutions, we talking about biotech stocks, and we talking about rising treasury yields and how that's affecting your portfolio. So if you hear whatever trying to grow your portfolio or you trying to get um deep into the stock market, what I want you guys to do or whatnot is hit that subscribe button, hit that like button or whatever as we dive deep into it or whatnot. And if you're serious about your portfolio and growing it or whatever, what I want you guys to do is sit here and wait to see what we're about to talk about now. The first thing that we're going to talk about is rising treasury yields, right? Um, to break this down, what a treasury yield is, just imagine yourself, you letting your friend borrow $10, right? And with you letting your friend borrow $10, they're gonna give you $1 back or whatnot, right? That's called a treasury. The yield is them giving you the money, them giving you the $1 back or whatever, right? So it's basically like an IOU with interest. So instead of your friend, just think of it as the government, right? You're giving in the government let's say you get the government $10 or whatnot, right? And they saying, hey, look, by you giving us $10 or whatever, we gonna give you $11 back. That's basically what it is or whatnot, right? And what's been going on is the government have high rising treasury yields or whatnot, right? What's going on is people are starting to take their money out of the stock market and putting it over there, right? Because the government is known for paying the money back in interest. So people taking their money out of the stock market and putting it over there. So with them doing that or whatever, right? That's what's causing this squeeze in the tech market, in Nvidia and Microsoft and companies like OpenAI and things like that or whatever. That's what's causing this pressure. But what's going on is a lot of analysts are already saying that, hey, look, that's a small thing to a giant or whatnot, right? That it's a small pullback for a longer bull market. That's what people are talking about as far as with the treasury yields. They saying that this is not finna last long. They saying the FUD this finna be capped. And that stay on the lookout or whatever, right? For these growth stocks like these AI and tech stocks and things like that or whatnot, right? So that's what they saying get ready for. Now, the second thing that we finna talk about right now, whatever, we finna talk about this AI or whatever, right? As y'all can see, AI is changing the game. And if you ain't up on AI or whatnot, you need to be up on it, right? Check out NVIDIA, check out Microsoft, check out OpenAI, check out AMD. You need to be up on these things or whatever, right? AI is here to stay. It is not going nowhere. So I want you guys to be the first or whatnot, right? To be ahead of the learning curve. Stop being behind on the knowledge or whatnot, right? Stop being behind on where you putting your money and things like that or whatnot. I want you guys to click like and subscribe on the video so you guys can be in tune to what we're looking at, what's the latest news and things like that or whatnot, right? But AI is taking over to the next boom. It is the next new innovation or whatnot, right? And what you want to do is, as an investor, is get in on the ground level or whatnot, right? So what we finna talk about next though, since we talking about AI or whatnot, and we're gonna check into that right now. Matter of fact, let's type in the video. Let's see what AI stocks are doing. As y'all can see, right, when the stock market open, y'all see how it's climbing up, right? That's NVIDIA. This is an AI stock or whatnot, right? I want you guys to know that. As y'all can see how it's rising up and it's doing its own little thing right here. Keep rising and rising and rising and rising, whatever, right? Even in the it's a little darker right here or whatnot, but this is the pre-market. It rolls all the way up to 134. But today it closed at what time did it close? open, closed at 133. So it got all the way up to 134 and 93, as y'all can see or whatnot in the aftermarket. So like, I want you guys to be ahead of the game and what's going on or whatnot, right? When it come down to AI and things like that or whatnot. The next thing that I'm gonna talk about is these bio stocks or whatever. In 2025, whatever, the biggest thing that's going on with these biotech stocks is this weight loss thing, right? So you got people like Eli Lilly, Nordisk, and Novo and that, right? These are your top guys over here in biotech technology. Everybody wants to get slim without working out. People lazy, man. I mean, it is what it is. You know what I'm saying? People are lazy, and these doctors are trying to promote this thing or whatnot, right? You see everybody, what it is that everybody taking, to make themselves slim. That shot that everybody getting. Everybody just want to get slim, man. You know what I'm saying? So you got to be ahead of the game when it come down to buying these, these stocks and things like that or whatnot, right? You got to know what everybody wants and how the company is planning on projecting itself to a whole new level, right? But if Eli Lilly is too much, Novo, Novo, and Nordisk, Nordisk, if these stocks are too high or whatever, right? We have other biotech stocks, right? That's coming up or whatnot, right? That I want you guys to be into. But what I want you guys to do is hit that like and subscribe button so you can always be updated on what's coming up next or whatnot, right? So y'all can be ahead of the game, right? Now, finally, what we're gonna talk about before I get into the into trading or whatnot for all my option traders and things like that or whatnot, we're gonna get into the IPOs or whatever, right? You got major players like SpaceX and OpenAI staying in they trying to stay a little private for a little longer periods of time or whatnot, right? But let me tell you what SpaceX, companies like SpaceX and OpenAI, by them being privately, not being open on the stock market yet, what this does for investors. What this does for investors is give us time to get the funds up so we can start off and buy in at the ground floor, at the lowest point or whatever, right? So we can ride the wave and be on top of that or whatnot, right? And ride it all the way up, just like Apple when it first started. You always want to be there when a company first started. That's a good company that's been running good or whatever, that has shown success, like SpaceX, going out of space, launching these satellites and all these different things out of space and stuff. Like, we gotta be on top of that. Open AI or whatever. Everybody using ChatGPT. Everybody using what everybody else using? ChatGPT. Everybody using Canva. All these AI technology or whatever, right? You want to be one of the first or whatever, like NVIDIA and things like that, to be one of the first to jump in the company at the ground floor. So what I want you guys to do or whatever is click that like and subscribe button. And if you want to hear more or whatnot, right? If you want me to dive deeper into biotech companies, if you want me to dive deeper into AI companies and things like that or whatever, what I want you to do, I want you to comment below or whatever and tell me to dive deep. Whatever you want me to talk about, tell me to dive deep so we can help grow your portfolio over here in 2025 or whatnot, right? All right, so for all my option traders, thank you for waiting. This is what we're looking like right here, right? Y'all know I normally trade on a 4-hour chart when we looking ahead. Y'all know what we do right here. Let's dive deep into it. Alright, so look, let me scroll over here. As y'all can see on the charts of where, right, everybody loves NVIDIA. And the reason why, because NVIDIA has a lot of volume, right? As we can see, it got as low as 129 today. But as you can see, it's starting to bounce back up, right? So look, what I want you guys to do is pay close attention, right? What I would do, I would draw some support and resistance lines, right? I was Draw a line at 135, 590. This is where I set my alerts up at, right? Let me get on here. Let's see how we want to do this. Let me get a horizontal line, right? I set me on one up right here. And then we'll get as low as, go over here. We'll get as low as 129 right there, right? So look, if the stock rise up tomorrow and go above 135, 590, for me, this will be this would be like an indicator for me to go for a call option, right? And what I would do is I would ride it, right, until I get to the top of this, which would be 137.45. That's why I start taking my profits at, right? Because we see at 137.45, you see this long wick right here? This long wick, people start taking profits right there. So if you stayed this long in the video or whatnot, and you interested in learning how to trade options and see how we make money quickly, right? And how we practice risk management, how I teach you how to get in and get out. When is the good time to buy in? When is the good time to get out of trade or whatnot? Go to the bio. The link is in the bio. Join the community. Join the community, man. You know what I'm saying? And once you get up in there, join the Discord. Say, help me, and I'm going to attend to you. All you got to do is join the Discord, get in the group chat. The link is in the bio. Type in help me or whatnot, and we're going to get you started or whatever so you can learn how to trade options. So look, so that's what I'm looking like on the video, right? We're going to go over here. Let's go over here to the SPY. Y'all know I love the SPY. So I'm going to get over here or whatever, right? As y'all can see, the SPY has went up, right? So this is what I would do. This is where I would set my stuff up at. Give me a drawing for all my option traders. I set up me a line right up here. No, hold on. Let me put it in. Let me give me up somewhere here. Give me a little horizontal line. Let me click it so we can grab it. I'll put me a line right here. Raise it up to the top of this wick, which is 583. And the lowest I'll go is, y'all see it down here? I'll go as low as 575 right here, right? All right, so look, so let's talk about it or whatever, right? I'm looking at the this right here is what you call the aftermarket or whatever, right? So I got my support right here, right? For those who don't know what a support is, support is it hits this line and it bounce up, right? Resistance is once it got right here, it shot down, which you see the wick right there or whatever, right? Y'all, if it go above 583.930, that would be an indicator for me to do a call option, right? But then I would take profits. The first profits I take is oh y'all, this is a short one. First, well, matter of fact, let me see. 584. That'll be my first little indicator to start taking some profits or whatnot, right? If it go past 584, 500, then I expect it to go a little higher, which would be 585, somewhere up in there, 585. And if it go past 585, we're riding it all the way up to 588, 83. So y'all, look, this concludes today or whatnot, right? If you learned something, what I want you guys to do or whatever, hit that like and subscribe button. and tell me what you learned today in the comments. If you want me to dive deep into something or whatnot, whether it's crypto, whether it's stock market, whatever, what I want you to do is type in dive deep in the comments and then tell me what you want to hear in the comments so I can dive deep in the next video. All right, you guys, you have a blessed day. Happy trading. And one thing I want to tell you, whatever, the best thing that you can invest into is yourself. Always put God first and invest in yourself. All right, guys, you have a blessed day. Bye.